Gabi dane. Wahala go there everywhere. Wetin make me come here today na to come talk to this woman. E get one woman, a video no kona the video when she do. She say, Mona no dey carry juju call social media. Eri bono redo. Eri amweri mujin gboto. I'll play the video for now just now. You know why? Man first throw this one in. Any live video presenter, when you see say e dey kick against juju, you know say na evil person. Man use example. Like very dark boy now. He no go ever advise anybody to use police, arrest anybody. Because in a public nuisance, if he support you say, Oma wemi yaye police mo, yabe woman mi ba when he directly say that, yabe wemi wa be police mo yen. Eri ma dan ya boyin. Eri ma dan. Are we back? Una dey hear me? So, Nita Deban. Oladi agoku na. Ogwe, why mwebore? Yelu ebo a. Eri franke we adwe. Why it be say people when they do that, if they do you something, if they do you something, you go police station. Iya we body, we are mwebore ya webwe. But where are we here? They go still run go the same police station and also run go meet the same juju. Wamami we bo wa that is just the simple truth for those of una when ready to learn. First thing when this woman talk, we say, make they not they carry juju for any matter for social media. Say, juju not they do anything again. Let me tell you now, as far day and night remain the same, the moon remain the same, the sun remain the same, the God when create this whole universe remain the same. Ebogbe. It's just that many of you not get the knowledge of how when a boy agbomahe. Wama when a boy agbomahe. Ugwa ogwe omanimoto jami omanekwe ehimia. Omano gujiri ove. Omano kumomi no mafe bokpa bogbe obugu kan boy agboma. Obugu kan boy agboma. Wano kan we bogbe. Example. E franke we o savere no we continue hu dan no ki page o ge gbe zanzan no ya agbe ma zanzan no ya agbe marriage ma zanzan no ya agbe family ma zanzan at the end of the day do wan e die do ri gbe zanzan ni iya ma gbe zanzan be mi ya fe na ya nyagbon iwa bona la here hu egbe iwa ya agbe ru po gbere baby just imagine say if franke we get paper. Imagine say Frank away in his entire life go fit sit down for this kind of luxury parlor. When I sit down, so luxury or nothing. Only your work go we. All your we are, imagine as I did my husband house, so we not dey rent now our house, so by the grace of God. Imagine say na Frank away na I did this kind of house where you get garden, you get everything, but the house tomorrow na 2 room. Not be my dream house anyway. We felt day here for a long time. Let's see how it goes in the future. But me when a boy agbiyan ewe, emi ni ya fefe ni ya agboru. Ni ya agbo sono kwoma. Salo boahiri yen dagbiyan. Example ijore no gyoba. Imagine say ijore no gyoba fi marry. Woman you go pop ovigbo or setting your more donor beer everything na gbana all your work bo yewe all your work bo wuko Edele na iba bo lai evu hun egbe. Iba bo lai egbe. In 2024, Ijore no yidiani yesigeo hun over 100,000 euro. She's now creating content with a bed and a mess on your war. They Ijore no gion ba. No ye idiani yesigeo hun over 100,000. Over 100,000 euro. Nothing to show for it. Wetin she dey show nana rubber bead. Rubber bead. Me via gbon wuru Ijore de no ya like Facebook ina. Me ogin ba me ogin wo. Maybe this holiday if I not tired I'll carry on go my garage. Many of una know say I get be my bead na Cora. Cora bead. Only one set for my bride. I bought those beads few years ago, 400,000, some 500,000, some 300,000. Now is 1.2, some are 2 point something million for those set of beads. If you say na lie, I'll post them, make you carry and go market, go price them. Every my body my way with the hustle. But Ijore no ye e ramiri ya fefefe ya kwigo. E bedori magwa e. E bediga wa kan be webo. Ole mfomo abeg make it cost 10,000 euro. Demi okpa ni Ijore no gyan ba ma emi. E social media na bi ayin mi go yan renovate wa yan wono na. Wa webo egbe. Wa we ne boy agbeli yan he. So wetin make me come out here? Now the video where this woman do, which I want play for now, just now I go listen carefully. When she talk and say, the man review bore make them not the carry juju come out to say the people went swear for Ijore Ogion Ba, say the palace of Benin not send them. All those me and say Epa or more Otiti Negiabi. Me I want send this video to Epa. Ni amo gwan so gwan van gbo do we nu we nyanya ma we e destiny bagwa wa ha mi yo ka him wa ya nege e madam Sonia. Oh bieka ho gbevezo mi awa hu we me wa hu we na go yo fenari if you ko we me left away from the right we na do bo atin azenu we azen flowers in gutter azenu yari zobo me zobo. Ni aro e nena filo kwa we ma gbon. Just shut up and get inside. Shut up and get inside. Ya wo ko my way we no logo e de. Or your way no do. It's very bad. It's very bad for you to come out and pass a ye message very oni. Aha ma we ige gwa magie and you want blow another lie. Madam Blue Head. Because Elene dan we muyere yourself or you do color we magba madam because I mean make sense unyiwe na go kwoba unyiwe na ijomo unyiwe na go mano menwa ugwani ha pwa you have no sense and a man of elelu when of a dam your way uswawole Morocco ne ki gbe ne ni go wia a sense why ya fefe. Why you go and you are empty upstairs. You have no sense of reasoning. She won't lie again. She say Izobo Igbada a power more Otiti Negiabi and over 1,000 a bobo hen a kwaboko na ya mwebok Ijore say the palace of Benin suspended. Say because they have not sent them. Ebo agbeluwa wena no we no kawa yezuozuo ole Morocco na gmoria gina nena madan ebo agbue. Do you even get the full video na ya mwebo Ijore no gyan ba? Nunajo atale mi numa Madam Blue Head. Do you even have the full video? Wonu ebo ni roll over edo. Ijore na mwebogbe, she get the full video. She know ebonamugbe. So why are you not defending nonsense? Mona call here o. Uswawe meme na. Eyi o niga igwan yi we Facebook irun there. Awo meme nori ukmorwana. Because ereru wa le bun Igazu na tede. Awe ogyon ba sympathizers. Mama ogyon ba wa we kin wa ni sympathizing with ogyon ba. Ahu are ni agwana ni lelijore mo bono ma ugwa mi gwa ati ebo. Wa ma ge mo ba se. Wa ma ge se. Adogo le Morocco.
When am I in the bian? Am I in the bian? Don't working Sagani master with don't say. Let be. I mean, why Frankie ko ya pa le gbo wa kan aye. Ni o pa le Frankie meta igbo we. Ni o pa meta igbo Frank. Di mi o pa le Frankie meta igbo Laura. I mean, o pa we marry type big family Frank. So why this una do ya fall like behind? When I tell you why do I give me why do I go hoy? No, this time around, bro, you 400. Wait. No. My ebony no change. Make sense. Make sense. Understand? Maybe I get woman. I don't know if you ebola agenda. Yeah, we live video at Esther. All those things. You know, my brother don't be. You know, I keep white table. And why you live video? Wait, me. I live not that way. Where Coco? Where my live video man? I read my brother. I table.
I don't do this teaching before regarding posting juju online. If you scroll down I Want for Talk Show page, you see on there. If you scroll down Otiti Talk Show, you see on there. Listen, where I for kick against wetin this woman talk, we go reach there just now, go let una know. But for you, listen to me. Ebona post here social media now of different category. A man he posted boy ye social media. Man ya ogboyi. But una ga ogboyi. Wa mwe bogbo man. Mwe ye media. Umana ogboyi. Unwe egwo aseti protected bo nu mugbo man. Unwe egwe your body full. Unwa son unwa van. Because no agba no ran. Many of una no know. Uga mwe bogbo man. Una mwe media uwedo wae yeki na zembo so vena wawe mie presenter senior awe video leni awa duoge DNA kedori adeni bu amwe bo eriebo agbona eriona no na DNA eriebo agbe nokpa ogege na DNA nokpa wukave no nokpa na wuna keke no wagug no all those kind of nonsense shenanigans una si una. When they can't do all this social media display sentiment and emotion, it's called immature. Issues like that, uke guayoke ya atiebo. So where you're muegbe warona. Many of you not even know the spiritual consequence when you give direction. For instance, na me do me back when right? Ihe back when many random people. Yes, ihe back when many random people. If I must give you my soap, I go know what you want go use that soap to do. If you ever come no man no ya problem in my egg. So I ona here we ona sekenije ni ri ukun a onu. Ina ri ukun a onu. And e ko here we uga so gwa e we nu. We ahwe mi ama oni e fo we mi ehwe gi mi ama we okin asekenije. O se ike mwe ba kweme no ma inota. Ona amenity no mani wata ario bogbera la ofie mi agbomo gini digwa mi ogu mata uyalwe wa hwe we febo mebe mo gabo. Okay, when no get bonije no concern DNA giving direction. If you give direction to wrong person, unari direction no mo uho unari direction no man no boy ma clean. Always direction you do where we are guy from the attack. That is what many of you don't know. Oh, wanibungwa oh gugwa dege se. Yonya wonona I don't fit tell you na before. Oh, wonoro want to set him muhe gbokbiave without the consent of his husband. Oda phone na re permission na we mu egbo mana who any na say because oda phone nya he e no nya he mana give a permission na alu any e say e wina you are wasting your time on your way no ro. An issue concerning this DNA bohaha on Facebook. If I may advise you, uke aka we no na mwebogbona no na mwebogbona. First of all, find out. Omaninu we had all different DNA. Iga no e DNA. Fair no. DNA ka no mae. That is number one. Omanabe no e DNA na. Yebe ka be no mae ya. Yebe we video de we odo anesa gien yo mono ma bie. Ona no ne hie una ya different egbo ma very oni uri ebo. Yes. Issue very na what you have to do the back by allo sentiment where one is not better than the other. No, oh is oh. Ori segbe kekan. Keno go be ya vieken. What you will do when you get there? Wala wa muyoto. Keno kano keno kekeno no maria beru warokba. That is my view. Keno kano keno kekeno. You all are guilty as charged. Uji direct no uno direct is against the law of nature. And if it now happens that a money are really under the roof of their biological father, unwe money must know wa. Runda mwebogba mona gbawa for nine biekani for no reason. Nuya naya for no reason. Obo must overwe. Ona mwebogba. So regarding ebonimati emuje line, ebevo ho we no hijore no kyobaje is different because he carry universal power. Na unity juju a personal issue and a man authority no we gie na mwebogbe ijore no kyoba oba nyato ya sewebu yon nyato nyahun. Oba ewa ogidiga no geba is the head of principalities and power. Is the head of all Obo. Is the head of all Azen. Is the head of all Oso. Is the head. Is the head. So we no gie na mwe bok boriavu. Egbe mi veri oni. E ma desert ile oyototo because Obama odion. E right dien kimi ga wa. E me no wo kan kion mese he. E dien right dien je. You see personal issue. You swear for person. You can't post her online. Let me tell you. Then no man we mwebog bere danger. Eri we no mwebog bo mare danger. Because who why ya tete? Who wene who seti mwewi gwa beki nu we ne mage ve, nu we ne mage de, nu we ne mage riebo. Who get the highest money go buy? Now, Sarah, when you go to all this lunch, 1,000, that one will say 2,000. I buy it. The other one will say 5,000. No, guys say we buy it. So, advice to you guys. If you know, say you be cleans, urazen, umekweva, uwegbe, unwason avant, wa mwebog boma, yari ya tete. Ya tete. Why it protected is okay. Go and do it. But una well my be na mi yawo my left way from me right way e bi a o ye iya itie we zo e di agbe waro ikwenye e bi a o lo ye uye uya hwenye zo no man. It's left for you guys. I no can quarrel with this woman for wetin she talk for here. Wanna listen to wetin make me on my video for her and why I dey throw those harsh words to her is because of the character she has displayed for a long time on this social media that this woman here, when issue concern two people and even concern children, she go dey swear for other people's children. Oga wishing ya bad luck, oga mwebo gbiyan we ni ya wo we ni ya de we ni ya gwo. And this your mo win hin. O ma no ge ya doloji no ri agere awe gbanu. Ruda orun pa bi omo mo egboja san mu tarunda o ma edomo ni e mu lo ye No vie wo wole window sanfwa do rava. So for you when they surprise say I dey vex a little bit, I dey vex for the woman because I don't like the way she take they handle some issues, just like the way you yourself when they listen to me. Now, I feel probably they vex for me sometimes. But me, I know they carry people, innocent children, come my do haro vinya. No.
All those calamity no so we that video. Where they no so that help.
Wherever.
Oh, I will see how we go.
Okay.
No ya you body. Eh, boy, man, no man live video. I bad to say live video. The many hero. You know how many people no who just of it come from up live video. Oh, I do get it. Oh, I want your money. Oh, I want your donate. I got go here. I don't go up winner. Okay, can I go up here with no worse. I don't know you can't money cannot go on your book. Mammy, but only figure one book on it.
You don't know. I so say you in wine, man.
What's it been any boy? Eh, waiting. See, be now where you sabo or me any cowboy. I be with him with you, Kiko. Or where you are, I'm going to do TikTok with life video and you, Kiko. Oh, Samuel, but I must know, boy. It's my good time.
One, yeah. Wanijua yo boke kaleliyan wahania wanijua yo boke kaleliyan mwewe dade ya vigele she una de ye na she una de ye wanijua we awiwi akota na ya zese nogun nijua uhu wa like yan se wa love yan se do ya gbina it's good you defend who you love, eh? But not defend wetin you no know. You feel like I want fool. You feel just like me, right? But if you see me get issue with person when you no know, I beg. Not defend wetin you no know. When ya muye. So, no, let's go.
Bullshit.
Ama mwe bedoro kpagboto madan onirie wana bado I correct weji no mortar a mortar kparo no seti mu mortar gboto ebo is immortal. Ebo is a spirit, just like omakani awe ogun ogbo. A lot of people think that imotokpa ogun. Do you know that when ogemena when odamena you have iron inside of your ogun webekin? Emi ya fe no salobo ajimayan to your wash or to your remote or to your light or to your fridge without iron. Even human being get iron. That is why you go hospital now. Or they give you one brand thing where they liquid. It go be like blood, but it not be blood. They call it iron. Iron no, iron. So, orun okparo no seti mwe bog boto. And one thing I must talk, whether you believe on Ebo or not, as far as Aloboa exists, Ebo exists. Ama fido ebi and una when not believe on juju, when they go carry juju to come fight for una self, who are vision beje. Because the anointing when you know they respect, not feel bless you. Juju no say you not believe on them. You not like them. You not want them. You not trust them. You only go carry them to come defend you because you are not in trouble. You are a hypocrite. You are a saboteur. That is why wanibun wa mwe biseng gbegi wa imwe 100 igbegbu wa. First of all, bu wa ma huwa. Ehu wa ma huwa. Wa mami no ebo. Orun okparo no seti mwe bogboto. Wa wana gwi. Una omani mu oge bawe ogwo mu ba una amwebogbo mani weno ki amwebogbo mo mati e se una le ti e boni uma mu di ayo se o na amwebogbe aswe ni o na amwebogbe age o na amwebogbe asiko o na amwebogbe atemu o na amwebogbe anything no concern no hin agwa kan imegugwa mi awa gugwa eso iwa esu no ugwa eso sha itu do na The juju when they worry some of una. Ha! Egiano ugwa egbe. Wa me rokpa. Wo sie na na bi egbe no ma na mwebo gbe. O ma na mwebo gbe ye wo ma no gune. Wa ma we o ma no gune. Ogune. O ma no gu is dead, forgotten. So, no say we ya mwebo gbo, you consider that person is already a buying person. Then if you feel maintain the rules and regulation of a bonuven, you assume the person were or wune. But we not finish the work. But when no mwebo gbo umatie ese, umalele the rules, umalele the regulation. O si ene bo ana goyo gore, o ma kenu gie e yari. Ori buwe no tie e ga dodo si enyamu. O si ene ne nuwa eso ana agbene e agie, because if you know, you know. You must not like me. Me too, I not like you if you not like me. I don't care. I'm saying my truth. We are immortal. Ebo is a spirit. He has no shape. He's formless. He has no limit. He has no boundary. He can touch anything. He can go anywhere. Just like the hair. God na everything. The reason why they say God is everything and everything is God, because everything when God creates has life in there. Waiting be life. Life na breath. Breath na hair. You cannot stop the hair. So one para no seti mwe bog button. No so aban ho ho. E sang yogo ya asa. Emi no sie ne mane dena moriri nugwa eso na moriri. We boy moriri. We moriri. Bori medicine. Do maya not take me on ebo. Some people they not get juju na wish they get. They go disguise, they go say they be obo, they not get juju. Azayan hin. Iye mwe gwa o. Me ne pastor so we je no salobo amatie. Ori mwe bible gwa o. O wi paperan. Ya mwe magboto. Ya o ya pa o. Wa ma ga be pa o. Ade pa o ni. We no bo we pa o no ya dege. Ere pastor so we pa o. Ni ya be ya dege. Okay? So eri oje. Oriri no ga aro we geneje. No yero ti today. So ariye bebo gwo magbo oriri. Gwo magbo oriri. Ebono go act on your capacity, whether you fear or you not fear. No. Ebo. Emi nu tie no do wo hian umo ha o, umamo ha o, u believe o, uma believe o. Whether you believe say they go break tomorrow or they not go break, they go still break without your consent, without your faith or your belief, because it has already been programmed.
I was my book. I call with head united. When I'm in and out to remove to me, I can't go about to or anything. And yes, I tell you what would be on your bed to buy a yaki disgrace in that video. And I never bet to Robana, he gets sending up, go to one, and you know, my saying. Imagine I blame those people saying, I'm your way, or is yours soon. If you're so, I had to go back, why was one is your right from the beginning? Eh, mommy, we are born in Latin. Don't change your white yamia. Why, Jerry would say, eh, Baba Muyabu. Eh, Baba, no money, probably.
Madam Bluehead. I also pity people when they listen to you. This is the main reason why I come this live video. Let me correct you. Edegbegbe ya tai. Ma ya no do azedo pataki. Oh, viedo. Ma ya no kwenyo samuji. Oh, viedo. Ma ya no sugwa pata. Jukpono fwa vivie okame yuru. Okame. Ma ya no kawe chifi yakin. Ogele ilele do. On the rules and regulation. On the culture, tradition and value. On the angles and corners. And that is the main reason why you have to be very careful of the people you dey listen to. Imagine there was this set of people when claim say they relate to the palace, people like Jennifer Collins and Princess Everywhere Good. One woman went blishy went on to Ogedenovo, Norway, Bonore, UK, and many others that claim they were related to the royal home. Few weeks ago, I think one video break out from TikTok where some people they confess that they be Elema pikin. Do you know that Elema is also one of the biggest family in Edo? They were claiming they are from Elema and they be Yore Ogyoba members. At the end of the day, do you know those people that were claiming they were Elema? Awe Ovien, Awe has help. They were nothing but a has help there. Ajiya Zogwomadia. When they frank away Jenania. I mean, if una go know say, ere frank igwa over daughter. Ima hawe san do, they are partly a son. No do hama when ya we ije isomuse is a lie. Iya ye frank away Zogwomadia. Are you usen when they frank in your bomber why we o one origin e bonahin o wanana bijin e nijin na wanahin. Ero ayije Zogwomadia. Ayije Zogwomadia arieba. Ero. You see person like this blue-haired woman now. Oseti wa vivie Yoruba kwa wo we do yen mo akpedo yo odo agbelikin. Bona no mede o. See wetin she talk now say the people when swear for Ijore say the palace of Benin suspended. People like Izobo Igbada Omo Otiti Negiabi. Nuya bedogi. Ukiya you know when ngoto madam because you dey bear witness to what you don't know. Ebonamu Bijoro must obue for misrepresenting Edo. First of all, Izobo Igbada was suspended for different reasons. Not the issue concerning Ijore Ogyoba. And as for those of una wey be presenter, when don't fair use una mouth call Ijore Ogyoba because of Wawe saga. Egena Ijore do become una friend. Ebone do mu Bijoro kian gbuwa. Wani go Ogyoba e wani gwin ada wani gwin amobo. Direct or indirectly. Ebo kian gbuwa. Ebo kian gbuwa. Ebone do mu Ogyoba kian gbuwa. Tebi tetego ino. Unugbanu wari agbon so kian lelu wari. Ogbuwa ba ogbuwa wiye ko la oguwo li okogwa ladian because un dan wahin. A man of Ogyoba Mobo is Ogyoba. A terrorist sympathizer is a terrorist. A terrorist abider is also a terrorist. Wa fule gbuwa. Uwa oge. Ema wafu. Wani noma we Ogyoba gwin amobo. The only way no I am we vidijore nehiana logo we logigyo wawe. Umwe ya simyose nedo. Umwe ya temata. Umwe ya create awareness. Nema le no Ogyoba nema le nemida. Ogu mwe ya we mi owe ya e praise Ijore no Ogyoba. Uja e celebrate benana mi o ku agota wevo no u de do ma apologize then oga ugwe mi ba kwe. Udo ti Ogyoba do ati ebogbe ebonu we che ni Ijore gi gbijore ni Ijore che no ga gbo egbigi ogbawe. Wa mi hun wo. Igo ya fe nu wa ya hwan mi amewu wa azoji. Because e ma dan wa kun. E me no tai Iji no roto eno. Ruda agwo basimi. Wahwa. First of all, make a correct am. Ohona. Uzeba epa mo Otiti Amwebo Bijore ne for long. Another issue. Has suspended epa Omo Otiti. Oba chief. Oba Dolagbonji of Benin Kingdom Iba. Go and do your inquiries. Uke aran we gwa pwai. Ne boy gbigio wa we je mi not that we say ya same emi dan olaja wonu weru wa ya put out a wrong information. Oni e lason lavan we ba kwe ni wa you egu wa kwe ni agbe recipes you know I give me don gbu e. So before you pass out any message regarding anything concerning Benin Traditional Council or Benin Kingdom as a Go and do your findings. Or where if I win a mom on a bogbe. Yeah? A video raw. A video raw. Na yela la ya fefe no red do. They all gather themselves together. Egwagie. Na mwebok bijore no gyoba. And they said it. They said it. Where omono banedo. Ogie na mwebok bogyoba gboriabo. Kate ijore no gyoba. Kinye kitokwe ke manojo ike ke mani support here fe ori ogbeleze wahyo to no gbebi. So the video is there. Dave Abama gave us any man suspend that yela lani suspend the yafefe. Do you even have the full video na yamwe? Do you when wa mie video na okpa yamwe bog bijori? E man on muja bobo and on muja mwe bog bijori is over 1,000. Ijore to boy on she even said it in her video. Ige bonamo asile boku gbe mu bijori. Not be 1, not be 10, not be 20, not be 30, not be 40, not be 50, not be 100. Not be 1 day. Not be 1 day. Ijore no gyoba no suhun egbu wagbon. Ijore no wu yagbon. No yije no ma bio ya hun go gbasawo gbigbe aga we 419. Ebedo we celebrate the 2024. Uwa ugo hie kuwa kitoku wa denu wa bahwe. Uwa ugo hie wa ugi yeke fun ewe ya gbiwase. Kuwe ke mani celebrate birthday yoro wa gbe ora. Iye mi ko ni mama awe kita no risani ane. Wa nebi gbe awe gbe. Yore no yi jani esige hun over billions 2024 and now you dey celebrate birth wa we bo magbu wanu wa worry ya wa yun wa kokere we baby nonsense people. So that is just the message. Madam Edo ma suspend there izobo egbada e pa mo Otiti run de boni ade ba e bowo hen mugbe ijore e pa mo Otiti de ba zobo gbada eyin apara bonoreva obowo hen ekwewo ko awo hen no bamakan azebo so ni ladian vie kwa viaza vie o vie gogo vie emi ya fefe ya se gbepeti na mi oveni amuladia nijore. There are more than 1,000. So na not get the full video. Na me get the full video. So not they bear witness to what you don't know. Why they not suspend the rest people? So it's a false alarm. Anybody near suspend the power Otiti izobo gbada, they were suspended on other issue. Erudin mwebok bijore. One Madam Bluehead. Wayanfe wa bota o eri atase. Edeke area domenuzomo. I hope you've been able to get the message now. If I still get chance tomorrow by the grace of God, I go play that your voice. I go tell my admin to blog am so that the relevant authorities go see that video you do. Say we don't constantly correct you. No ya si le man e bogbe. Do e man o. O man amwe bogbe we nijore je no gyon ba no hu dan tabi egbe na. Ya temena fo ne bi ya meso hunu. To mene o. Wa ya fe wa we se deke.